Today we're going to go through how to create a RAG status field. We've already done this with a very simple status where you just type in red and you'll get a graphical or a little circle that's red. And this time we're going to make a slightly more complicated RAG status, which is driven by the built-in status, task status field in Microsoft Project. So it's far less subjective than the previous example that I showed you. If you want to see the previous example, I'll put a link in the video description. Okay, so this is the built-in status field in Project, and you can see that it has on schedule, late, complete, and future task labels. It also has its own indicators. Now, I don't think these are terribly clear, which is why I want to create my own traffic light based indicators. So I'm going to show you today how to create something a bit like this. Obviously, you can use whatever indicators suit you. So let's just jump in. I'm going to right click and select custom fields. Okay, there's the status that I've already created. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to rename it. RAG. Okay. Now I need to set the custom attributes as formula. It's going to keep giving me a message saying that any data in this column will be deleted. That's all fine. And all I need to do here is just quickly select status and put that in my formula field, and that's it. Click OK. Now, down to values to display, I'm going to select graphical indicators, and I need to put in my test, my values, and the image. So all of my tests are going to be equals. And then we need to set in the value that maps to the status indicator in Microsoft Project. So 0 maps to completed. And I'm just going to grab a little grey circle there for completed. 1 maps to on schedule. 2 maps to late. And 3 maps to future tasks. Okay, so on schedule, let's give it a green. Late, let's give it a red circle. And then future tasks, I'll use my little clock icon again, which is there it is. And then I'm going to click OK. And OK. Now I just need to add my new field. So insert column. I'm just going to start typing. Oh no, it's new, wasn't it? New RAG text. Here we go. And there's our new field. Okay, so if you'd like a copy of this project plan that you can see on the screen with the RAG status custom field already set up, just pop over to stakeholdermap.com and I'll put a link in the description. Also, on stakeholdermap.com, you can get this PowerPoint. Let me just grab it and drag it onto the screen. PowerPoint slide deck, which just gives you step-by-step instructions to creating the field that we've just seen. Okay, hope that's useful.